How to fix WhatsApp camera not working on iPhone. Having trouble sending photos or making video calls on WhatsApp? Here's how to fix the WhatsApp camera not working issue on your iPhone. First, go to Settings, then WhatsApp, and make sure the camera toggle is turned on. Too many open apps can slow down or block camera access. Close all the background apps and relaunch WhatsApp. I don't have any background apps turning on right now. Check if the iPhone's camera works outside WhatsApp. If it does not, it may be a device issue. Sometimes it's just a bug. Go to the App Store and make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. That should solve it. Now your WhatsApp camera should work for calls, photos, and more. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.